again. We about to prank call Pizza Hut. We bored.
What we gonna say this time, y'all? Who we gonna say we are?
First say cheese.
Bro,
Your
you
teeth is
super
don't
black,
white.
right?
Oh, call.
Where am I?
You call it?
Cal, you darker than me. You can't even see your teeth.
Is that my eye though?
Say cheese, Cal.
Cheese.
Oh shit. Where you at?
I don't know. I'm out
Say cheese. Alright, we're calling y'all.
Thank you for calling Poplar Street Pizza Hut. This is Mara. Will this be?
Hello, this Pizza Hut.
Huh?
This Pizza Hut.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Where are you located?
Huh?
Located? Your location?
Poplar Street?
Where's okay. Do you sell cheeseburgers? I'm sorry, I just moved to Pittsburgh. I'm new here. I don't know. Do you sell cheeseburgers?
No.
No, what do you sell?
Pizza.
Fried chicken.
She said, "Fried chicken."
See why y'all
Yo, she's small for bees.
Yo, she was really slow though. She was like,
No. She said, pizza, somebody said, fried chicken.
Why'd y'all laugh? We could have still been on the phone.
Did y'all hear me? I was like, ay. She's mad for real. Love bees.
Yeah, y'all, they just prank called Pizza Hut.
They're going to call the customer. Hold on, wait, let me get
I'm
another.
about to call someone and be like, yes, this is Muhammad. Who we calling?
Domino's. Deliver, please. Thank you.
The fuck somebody up.
So you sell hot Cheetos?
Thank you for choosing Domino's Pizza. Are you being under-cheesed? Try Domino's stuffed cheesy bread today. Stuffed inside and out with as much
Have one?
cheese as our medium pizzas. Available in 3 varieties. Bacon and
Shut the...
jalapeno, spinach and feta, or cheese only. And our pizza and chicken combo. That's 1 large 2-topping pizza.
I will never
and
call
an
it
18
Domino's.
burger
You think
wing
it's
of
too hard.
boneless chicken
I
for
got
just
banana.
$18.99 plus tax. Please stay on the line to hear more specials. Then press 0 when you're ready to order. For special number 1, make it dinner at home. Get 2 large 1-topping pizzas and a 4-piece
Alright, so I'm just gonna order a
wings with
shitload of food.
boneless chicken for just $26.99 plus tax.
I'm like,
Number 2
yo,
is
I'm
a
gonna order
large
a whole bunch. Well,
1-topping
you
pizza
listen?
and 2
I'm order a whole bunch of food.
My
And then
man
she's gonna
really
be like, is
ordered.
that it? And I'm like, oh, what else y'all got?
The
And
chicken
she's
want
gonna
the
be
real
like,
number.
oh, well, we got, and I'm like, days not. Do that?
No.
Wait, what did he say?
I said,
He's gonna say these.
What did he say before that?
Press
He's
0.
gonna order a whole bunch. I'm like, that. I'm like, no.
Press 0.
What
Press
else is there on the
0.
menu? So he's gonna be these. Come on. Press 0.
I called y'all last week and y'all was late. I wanted to know if like there was any type of, contract you guys have that if you're late you get a free pizza or something.
What if they really gave us a free pizza? You come over here.
Yeah, like I told whoever else was on the phone about last week on like Tuesday, I had ordered 2 medium 1-topping pizzas, and I had received that pizza about an hour and a half later, and I was wondering if there was anything.
Okay, that time, did they tell you like free pizza for the next order?
Um,
Have to check the
I,
system. Is
I,
somebody gonna know like
excuse me, I had heard. I mean, I was a little infurious at the time, and I wasn't really thinking clearly, but I'm pretty sure they said next time I order, I can get a free pizza.
Which phone number did you leave then? I have to check the system.
They
Uh,
called you.
Always leave the note for free pizza. I mean, with the credit. Which phone number did you leave that test?
okay, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Shaquita!
What?
What number did you call the pizza place?
You called off of Derek's phone. I don't know.
Oh, hold on. I'll look at my contacts.
Yeah.
1 second, please.
They working too special.
Here go his number right here.
Okay.
It was 412 867
867.
1897.
412-867-1897.
Mm-hmm.
No, there is nothing. We didn't get any order from
What
this
you talking
number,
about? You
and
don't
they
get no
didn't
order.
leave any note.
Oh, hold on. Are you sure that was the number?
Yeah, I told you it was the number. Get on my face.
I'm not in your face.
I died. You we gonna get our pizza. I paid.
Oh, I'll call you back. She gotta catch her ass whooping.
Yo, oh, please, that was funny. Swear to God. It was funny. He was like, excuse me. Yeah, he was like, excuse me.
You got
I wasn't done talking.
You wanna watch it now?
Oh my god, we are so
Or
funny.
shall we keep it going?
We just gotta listen to it. That's that video.